Our business for our needs. AI within process automation. Welcome. While business needs the integration of AI types, it is the application of agentic AI process automation more than generative AI content creation, which is potentially the most transformational. When robotics transformed manufacturing, the need was for clarity and definition of process with revision to processes as required. The same applies for realizing returns from knowledge worker service automation. Thank you for your time. Let's get into it. Appreciation of process. To use AI to automate process, we need repeatability of process, which by its nature, a lot of the current AI seldom provides. Consistency of performance, as seen with robotics in manufacturing, rather than the random nature of current AI and implementations. Enabled performance for service delivery and outcomes, the application of controls and cost savings, assuring of outcomes. If AI leadership can apply the known for robotics and other processes, then what is stopping the AI leadership for knowledge worker services? Consistency and repeatability of operations required by business, varying with service and process. We require the valuing of the human factor and the importance of procedures, standards, policy, framework, and controls for assured data, managing known outcomes, standardization of process, assuring quality of handoff, handling errors and exceptions, and management of the performance regime. We know how to realize growth, revenue, opportunities, new products and services from AI. Thank you. With the appreciation and application of process comes the ability to automate and scale. Let's be sure we get the AI leadership we want, need, and deserve.